So, Siva, thank you for
Mm.
joining today.
Yeah,
And
sir.
let's introduce yourself, what you do, and what is your actually background.
Yeah, sir. My name is
Yes,
Shiva
Siva.
Kumar, sir.
Okay.
My name is Shiva Kumar. I'm from Hyderabad.
Yes.
I'm working as physiotherapist. Yeah, I'm coming from a below middle class family, sir.
Okay.
My designation is a physiotherapist. Yeah,
Means you
yeah,
are a doctor. You are a doctor,
yeah.
right?
I'm a doctor. Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
sir. Yeah.
yes. Now,
So
Siva, as you attain my 6 days, 5 days boot camp of
mm,
Brain to Brilliance, may you talk about what the things that you attracted you to Brain to Brilliance program?
it was on a shocking incident, sir. By
Okay.
meeting you through some online or I don't know
Yes, yes.
from where it was happened.
Actually,
But on the
actually,
first meet,
we interact
uh,
on one-to-one basis
yeah,
with you.
one-to-one basis. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
on just 5 minutes, when I get the answers, the relevant answers from you, I was
Mm-hmm.
completely blown away because
Yes,
uh,
yes.
these answers were very close to my heart, sir.
Thank
Because
you. Thank you,
it's
Siva.
not in technical way, but
Mm-hmm.
it's in a very humanistic way. So
Mm-hmm.
that's where I was impressed a lot, sir. That every word you said at that 5 minutes or 10 minutes time, it still
Mm-hmm.
remembers in my heart and mind, sir. That is the
Thank you.
thing which I attracted for the next 6 days workshop.
Mm,
Uh, but I was very shocked because some training, sir, very
mm,
attractive in initial stage
mm,
to make something interesting and everything. But here is a matter is different, sir. Is a very reverse. But
mm,
when I attended for a 6 days workshop in a first day,
mm.
you explain a lot of things, sir. On first day only, you explain a lot of things.
Now, Siva, what is your experience in the 5 or 6 days boot camp? What is your experience?
My experience was very unique, sir, compared to other programs because I attended 3 to 4 workshops before this. But this time, it is very unique and completely humanistic approach, sir.
Yes, yes.
You're telling the topics not in a technical way, but in a very ground
Authentic,
level. Yeah, yeah, very
authentic.
authentic and
Yes,
from
yes,
yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yes, yes. Siva, can you share your aha moment of the 5 or 6 days program? What is your aha moment?
I think every day, sir, because I'm waiting for that
Okay.
time to when is the time 2:30 or
Mm,
9:30? I'm waiting for the time to meet you and share my feelings about the training and everything. It is very genuinely coming from my heart, sir, because
thank you,
uh,
thank you. Mm.
it's completely unique,
Thank you.
completely
Thank you.
very
Yes, yes.
fundamental to
Mm,
advance.
mm.
How to go from fundamental to advance? Yeah, you're taking on very small topic also. You're giving so many examples on a small mm, topics also.
Mm.
Uh, it was very easy for me, sir.
Great.
Uh,
Now, Shiva, uh, in these boot camp, we were talked about the say speed reading. Getting my
yeah,
point. Speed reading.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What do you feel about speed reading? Is humanly possible through our boot camp? What is
Yeah.
your experience?
Even I too thought that, sir, before I interact with you,
Mm.
because speed reading it's only for few people, few gifted people can read with
Yeah.
a speed in a speed reading way. But after the class of speed reading,
Yes.
yeah, I noted a lot of techniques, sir. I noted down a lot of techniques and subconscious ways in a very simplistic way. Uh, it was very easy for me, sir. After the
Mm-hmm.
class, because there are 3 to 4 topics are there under this. So each and every the points were very simple, sir. Actually, do the magic of speed reading.
Now, Siva, in this boot camp, we have something talked about the mindset part.
Mindset, yes, sir.
Mindset
Yeah.
part. Actually, we have talked about the goal setting. Getting
Yes,
my
sir.
point.
Yes, sir.
Can you share what is your experience about the goal setting?
It's not an external work; it's an internal work.
Mm-hmm.
That where was things completely changed, sir. Because
Mm-hmm.
everyone looking for outside of themselves to achieve something. But the actual thing is, inner work. Mean, yeah,
Anything bad situation that came in our
yeah,
life,
yeah, sir.
first we have to accept this, and
Yes,
then it is not our weaknesses, but we should take this as an opportunity.
opportunity. Yeah,
Then this opportunity can be turned
to
in
make
our
grow
strength.
ourselves. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
yes, turned in our
mm,
strength.
yeah,
Thanks for sharing, Shiva. Now let me take a few questions.
yes,
And
sir.
what do you think about book reading, how it is important for today's life?
I got to know the importance of book reading every day, sir,
Mm,
because every book has uh, some ideas, some very, very
mm,
important
mm.
ideas.
Great, great.
If we summarize the book, if we summarize a book, we
Mm,
get so many ideas according to our perception and taking from the books.
mm.
Even sometimes one idea can also change our lives in a different
Yes,
way.
yes, yes,
Even one
yes,
idea.
yes, yes.
So by
Thanks.
reading books, often it makes lot of ideas into our minds in a trouble situations, and whenever we stuck in life situations, that idea came into our mind from by reading our books will help a
Mm,
lot, sir. Even it's a fundamental and very practical way of handling the situations in everyone's life. I think by reading a book.
Great.
When we read
Mm,
books, we have acquired so many subconscious ideas from different people and
mm,
their life experience in a very is it comprised in a book. It's a
mm.
very good idea to get the life ideas from their life through
Yes, yes,
books.
yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm,
Evenly, nobody life is completely entirely full of a lot of ideas. Everyone life is unique and every experience is unique.
mm.
So there we can grab a lot of life lessons from each book, from different authors and their perspectives.
Great.
Yeah.
Now, Siva, we have learned lots of memory techniques because when we read books,
Yeah.
the core reason to read the books is to comprehend the books and to retain the books for a long term memory, and then apply the tips, tricks, ideas, and strategies of books in our life. It is the main purpose of the books.
Yes.
So my question to you, that we have learned many memory techniques as far as the comprehension, retention, and memorization is concerned. What do you
Yes,
think,
sir.
and what is your experiences of these memory techniques?
I think it was surprise for me.
Hmm.
I really don't know these much of techniques using by so many legends and everybody. Uh,
I explained the visualization of the Ikigai book.
Ikigai book.
Ikigai
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Ikigai
sir. Yeah,
book.
sir. Yeah,
And
yeah, sir.
you can feel that these
Yeah,
small ideas, this even the
yeah.
idea is very small, but
Yes, sir.
if we apply these small steps and small ideas in our life, then definitely our life will get huge
Yeah, sir.
shift. Please share your ultimate goal, because I have something talked about in our boot camp.
You don't have proper relationships. You don't have
Mm,
proper health. A lot of
mm,
tensions are there.
mm.
So money only not only satisfy the human soul, and
Great,
also
great.
not only relationships no, doesn't
Mm,
satisfy the whole humans. We have a
mm.
lot of balance between the health, relationships, money, and our work and satisfaction
Yes,
in every possible
yes.
way. Everything is important, sir. Not only one thing, because
Yes, yes, yes.
everybody runs on only one thing. Like we
Great,
want money
great.
only, we want relationship only. So there is no
Mm.
balance there. So
Yes, yes, yes.
after your conclusion,
Mm.
there is a balance
Mm.
approach is there, sir.
That is
Mm.
so everyone should know, because in today's world, actually people just following the other
Yes,
people
sir. Yes,
they
sir.
want to get passed in the examination, they want to get some memory techniques, or they want to get some money. So in the boot camp I have talked about the ultimate goal, that means the whole balancing of life.
Yeah,
Great, great.
yeah.
And Siva, take up the last question, that what is your final thoughts? Yes,
It's the only platform that because I genuinely transform myself.
great,
This is a God gift. I think people who are blessed only come to this platform because
great. Thank you.
I find there is no commercial aspect here. Uh,
Mm,
yeah, everywhere commercial aspect is there, sir. But
mm.
the genuinity I feel from the heart is completely different from other platforms. Because
Okay, okay.
after yeah, you are tackling every small issue in a very close manner, sir. You are taking everyone's concerns.
Okay.
I don't want to go anywhere to transform myself. Uh, at last, I found in a right platform.
Yes, yes, yes. And our main purpose, because we are the family. Getting Siva. We
Yeah,
are
sir.
the
Yeah, sir.
family. We are the part
As
of
you
the
said, sir,
community.
we
Yes.
are all family and community.
Mm.
We will share everything. We will
Mm, mm, mm.
yeah, we will
Yes.
guide
And
everything to
our
each other.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. And
Mm.
our ultimate purpose is balancing the whole life in all
Yeah.
area, in all area. And Siva, thank you for joining.
Thanks, sir.
Great. Thank you for joining and thanks for sharing your valuable feedbacks.